Welcome once again. This is the Doctor of Digital, the Doctor of Digital podcast. Purpose of the show is to transform your business and life with education and inspiration. I introduce busy business leaders to trends in business, technology, and marketing to highlight people you should know. Are you tired of pouring time and money into social media marketing with little to show for it? In today's digital age, a strong social media presence is crucial for business success, but navigating the ever-changing landscape can feel like trying to hit a moving target. What if there was a way to create a predictable marketing system that consistently generates leads and sales, even in industries that seem challenging to promote? My upcoming guest has cracked the code on social media marketing, and he's here to share secrets with you. Meet Wayne Mullins, the dynamo behind Ugly Mug Marketing. In just 4 years, Wayne has led his team to an astounding 340% growth, spearheading over 4,000 social media campaigns. His expertise isn't just theoretical. Wayne has worked hand in hand with hundreds of small business owners and entrepreneurs, helping them cut through the noise and achieve tangible results in the digital realm. From turning strangers into advocates for nonprofits to making unsexy strategies and industries that you wouldn't expect it. So whether you're struggling to make your content resonate or looking to debunk common myths, when you revolutionize your approach to digital marketing, get ready to discover the lead generation strategies your competitors hope you will never learn. During this upcoming episode, we'll do a deep dive into the changes and hot topics of social media, its biggest challenges and growth. I will leverage the expertise of my upcoming guest and how to navigate the unique dynamics of the field. At the end of this upcoming episode, you'll be better equipped to know what to do, and I encourage you to contact my upcoming guest, Wayne Mullins, leader at Ugly Mug Marketing. And I want to thank the sponsors of the program, both of Burning America and also On Track Ian Hunter, because what we are doing is very helpful in being able to keep this program coming for you. So like, subscribe, positively review, and share the Dr. Digital podcast everywhere. And of course, make sure you reach out because you got to help business leaders, CEOs, and entrepreneurs break through their obscurity through their oral and written presentations, building credibility and authority. You can meet me on Mastering Presentation Secrets on Facebook. And if you need other assistance, just let me know. Until next time, Deus Volt.